How to use intermittent fasting the right way for a fat loss. This is a part 3 of 1 meal a day series. Intermittent fasting works, but only if you do it in the right way. Let me show you the science backed way to use fasting for a fat loss without slowing your metabolism. The problem isn't it a fasting, it's how people are doing it. Long fasting like 20 hours, 24 hours push your body into a stress mode. Your cortisol spike, metabolism drop, and you start losing muscle instead of fat. Smart way. Keep it between 12 to 14 hours of fasting. That's enough time for your body to lower the insulin and tap fat into the energy. That's mean your body is converting fat for energy source and still keep your metabolism active. For example, finish your dinner by 8 o'clock. Then next day, first meal you're going to have it by 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So that's going to be the simple, sustainable, and stress-free. Now, during your eating windows, don't skip your nutrients. Like each meal, you have to keep protein like paneer, lettuce, tofu, egg, chicken, fish if you eat them. Then carbs, you have to keep like oats, roti, rice, brown rice, white rice, absolutely fine, fruits, and some healthy fat like nuts, seeds, ghee, and if you like to eat avocado, you can absolutely keep it. This keep your leptin and ghrelins balanced, so your hunger and energy stay stable throughout the day. And here is the key. Fasting doesn't make you lose fat, but calorie deficiency does. Fasting just help you control when you eat, but what you eat, how much you eat, still decide your fat loss. Use fasting like a tool, not like a punishment. Start small, stay consistent, and your body will thank you for better digestion, steady energy, and real lasting fat loss.